everyone, I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com. If you tuned into my YouTube channel, you most probably want to find a way of making money online. I got so sick of buying misleading training modules which were no more than shiny objects. They tried to sell you a dream life idea, usually misleading or just spam. I found out the hard way. What I encountered was a lot of those called online business gurus just want to sell me stuff but had no interest in actually helping me. I want to build a business online using a simple strategy which worked. Why was this so difficult to find? I think you have been searching for a while now on YouTube, Google, Facebook, and you name it without any luck, just like I did. Especially now with COVID-19 pandemic, people are taking advantage of anyone looking for a second income, their only income, or just building a future income. I have purchased quite a few of these low quality products on how to make money online, which are just saturating the internet with no real outcome or support. I found that the training was supposed to teach me how to build an online business, but due to the lack of support or defined strategy, it was not working. The training was totally misleading, and the low quality and mostly with no support didn't help. I was frustrated with my situation and decided if I could help you not to go through the same process by giving you reasonable, honest reviews about make money online products out there based on my own experience as now a successful affiliate marketer. I believe the internet is a breakthrough of our lifetime. Start an online business, leveraging the internet, and to make money from it is the most outstanding opportunity that we have. It does not mean that it is easy, it's hard work. I can tell you, an effort to build an online business. But once you have the right idea, I don't mind doing my part to be successful. I discovered an easy to follow, step-by-step blueprint, and I'm finally in the process of building a passive, recurring income online with a fantastic mentor with integrity and honesty. Product review playlist to share my product reviews with you. I will share product reviews that I have tested that will help you to make money. Remember, my reviews are based on my opinions and test results. I want to help you to understand more about the product and form your own opinion about it. You are of course free to buy and use any product you choose, and I appreciate any feedback on products you may have encountered before. Just leave your feedback in the comments below, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell to be notified on my new videos and product reviews. With all this said, and if you are really committed to take the next step in making money from your online business as an affiliate marketer, click the link below and see for yourself what I'm using and what is currently working for me. I believe in what I'm doing is legit, honest, and valuable, and will help you to make money online. So please like, subscribe, and ring the bell not to miss any of my future videos. See you in my next video on the other side of the screen. keep exploring.